You wake up, stretch, roll over, and find a small, dark shape resting on your pillow. A half-dead mouse, delivered straight to your bed while your cat watches closely from the foot of the mattress. Popular culture and internet folklore have a ready explanation for this behavior. We often tell ourselves that the cat is offering a gift of love, or perhaps acting as an instructor, critiquing our terrible human hunting skills. We naturally project human emotions and complex motives onto animal behavior, a psychological habit called anthropomorphism. It is a comforting way to make sense of a startling wake-up call. But modern ethologists and behaviorists completely reject both the gift and teaching hypotheses for domestic cats. To understand what your pet is actually doing, we have to stop treating them like tiny humans in fur coats and start analyzing them by their biology as highly specialized apex predators. The modern domestic cat descends directly from Felis sylvestris libica, a solitary ambush predator native to arid, desert-like environments. In the wild, solitary predators face constant threats from scavengers. When they secure a kill, they use a survival mechanism called caching, carrying the prey back to a highly secure location where they can eat without competition. When a house cat brings a mouse to your bed, they are not treating it as a gift-giving altar. Your bed is simply the most secure, scent-heavy location in their core territory. They are caching their prey. But this raises an obvious paradox. Why go through the effort of hunting a mouse when there is a bowl full of high-protein food sitting in the kitchen? This is a decoupled instinct. Over thousands of years of evolution, the biological drive to hunt separated entirely from the drive for hunger. The predatory sequence operates on an independent neurological loop. Even if fully satisfied, detecting movement activates the sequence, demanding completion. A dead mouse on your sheets is not a conscious choice or a coded message. It is an automatic genetic software program executing a survival script that has survived the entire domestication process. 10,000 years ago, human agriculture created massive grain stores that attracted dense populations of rodents. This concentrated food source forced naturally solitary wildcats to tolerate each other to hunt effectively. This visualizes facultative sociality, an evolutionary adaptation allowing cats to live alone or form dense social groups based entirely on resource availability. Within these clusters, strong maternal instincts activate. Female cats instinctively share resources, carrying dead prey to sustain their surrogate AMA structure. As the provider of food and shelter, you are mapped into this surrogate social structure. You act as a family member eligible to receive resources. The cat does not view you as a helpless, incompetent kitten. They are simply distributing resources to a valid, recognized node residing within their highly complex, hardwired social network. Finding a carcass in your bedroom usually triggers an immediate human reaction to physically punish or yell at the cat. Feline behavioral guidelines explicitly warn against this approach. Punishment fails to stop the hunting sequence, creates fear-related aggression, and breaks the bond between you and the animal. Behaviorists rely instead on the 5 pillars of a healthy feline environment. A major strategy here is providing safe, pseudo-predatory play to actively burn off their decoupled hunting instinct. By utilizing interactive tools like wand toys and puzzle feeders, owners can allow cats to complete the stalk, chase, and kill sequence indoors on inanimate objects. This shows why managing this drive matters. Domestic cats kill 1 to 4 billion birds annually, devastating local ecosystems. Because cats are crepuscular, wired to be active in low light, restricting outdoor access during dawn and dusk spikes dramatically reduces their wildlife impact. By abandoning our folklore and respecting the strict biology of our pets, we can successfully protect fragile wildlife ecosystems while keeping our own pillows perfectly mouse-free.